Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Telegram sticker sets and want to know how to delete a specific sticker from your collection, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to remove a sticker from your sticker set on Telegram, so you can keep your chats organized and clutter-free. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You don't need to go to a particular chat, just pick any conversation, as the process works the same everywhere. Next, look at the bottom of your screen for the emoji icon, usually found in the message box. Tap on this icon, and you'll see several tabs appear, including one for stickers. Now, tap on your sticker set's photo. This will open up your collection of stickers. At the top or in the corner, you'll notice an option labeled Edit. Tap on it to enter editing mode for your sticker set. Once you're in edit mode, scroll through your stickers and find the one you want to delete. Next to each sticker, you'll see 3 dots or a small menu icon. Tap on the 3 dots next to the sticker you want to remove. A menu will pop up with several options. Simply tap on Delete Sticker. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm your choice to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm, and the sticker will be removed from your set instantly. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you can easily manage your sticker sets and keep only the stickers you love. Keeping your Telegram sticker collection organized makes chatting more enjoyable and helps you find your favorite stickers faster. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a little help managing their Telegram stickers. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized sticker sets.